G'day, Rowan from JTS. So one thing for DIYers out there, if they're doing their own wiring and wiring up their whole system for either a camper or a caravan or whatever it might be, it's a good tip to use some coloured wires. The reason we use coloured wires is so that we don't have to label it. We do a cable key and then we just run the cable. We get back to here and then we can label it up nice and simple. And also you've got a reference for later if you're going into a spot in another part of the van and you go, I'm looking for the orange cable, it's really easy to find. So, I mean, car manufacturers have been doing it for years, but we sell the cable online, so jump onto our store, the DIY section, or even in the product section, you'll find cable, and you can just pick a colour and then go for that. So when you're planning out your system, if you plan colours for certain things, it's a no-brainer at the end. It makes it really easy.